Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm showing you guys how to get those bleached eyebrows. I think it's becoming a big trend to do bleached eyebrows. Now obviously, I'm not going to bleach my own eyebrows because yeah, I'm not going to. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it with some makeup. So if you want to learn how, then please keep watching. Alrighty, so first off, I do want to mention my foundation is way too light for me. We're just gonna roll with it because I don't have any foundations darker than this, so whatever. We're dealing with it. So the first step, I already have all my makeup on already, as you can tell, is I'm gonna go in with a foundation. And I'm going to just take some of it. This one's out. That's why I said I don't have a foundation darker, because obviously this is, this is dark enough. I don't even know. And I'm going in with a little eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to grab some of that foundation on the brush, just like this. And I'm going to start just like meshing it into my eyebrow. All in there. And the reason that you're using a foundation that matches your skin tone first before like making them look super white is to kind of cancel out as much color as possible before you go in with like a stark white shadow. I'm just getting all of the product in there. Okay, so you should let that dry for a little bit just on your eyebrows. Just let it dry before we continue to go on to the next step. So I'm going to go ahead and wait a couple minutes and I will be back. Okay, so I have let that dry, and now I'm going to go ahead and take a concealer that is very light, and I'm just going to apply that on the back of my hand first. As you can see, it is very, very light. And I'm just going to grab some of that with my brush. And we're basically doing the same thing. I'm gonna just add it in first, and then I'm going to kind of just like mix it around on my hand, and then go ahead and I'm going to rub it into those brows. And I'm gonna go back and forth kind of with that original shade that we used. And just to get it like a perfect bleached color, because obviously it will be a little bit on the yellow side if I were to actually bleach my eyebrows, just like my hair. I'll do the same thing. So basically we're just getting all of this product into our eyebrows as much as we possibly can. Alrighty, and then I'm cleaning up again just around the edges. I'm gonna go with my finger just to blend in. So just like that. And now the final step is to go in with an eyeshadow. I'm going to go ahead and go with this one because this is what I use for my eyes. This is the Modern Renaissance palette. But you can literally go in with anything. Go in with the fluffy fluffy brush, and I'm going to mix these two shades right here. I'm just going to dab it on and set the brows with this. So that is it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned how to get these types of brows for yourself. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see some more videos. And I do want to mention, if you want to make your eyebrows colorful, literally all you have to do is those same steps, and then on top just put a colorful eyeshadow or run some colorful eyeliner through your brows. So it's very simple, and I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next video.